In Lumiastream 9.0 beta, we've introduced Marketplace Ranks. If you're a creator who's ever uploaded on our marketplace, now you can go ahead and check your rankings. When you click on your name, you can see your overall rank as well as where you rank in each of the other categories. We have the Studio Community Shares, Overlay Marketplace, the Plugin Marketplace, and TTS Voices. This is a way for us at Lumiastream to highlight and thank our creators. You guys create exceptional things for our community, and we want to thank you for that. This feature is also great for all of our streamers out there. First and foremost, you can see what's most used here at Lumiastream. Find out what's popular and apply it to your stream. This also gives you quick and easy access to all of your favorite creators. You can go ahead, search them up, and see everything that they've built. And we built this with streamers in mind. See something that you like? Just click on it and it'll take you automatically to the download section. From there, you can read all about it and download it if you want.